Hi everyone, it's Kerry here again this week. How are you doing? I'm going to teach you a line dance this week called the bus stop. Generally here at Kerry on Dancing, and I think probably most other dance schools would usually use the Saturday Night Fever song by the Bee Gees, Night Fever. Although you could dance it to any other disco tune if you wanted to. But the dance is called the bus stop. It's a rotating line dance. For the purposes of the video, I'll just teach it facing one way, and then I'll show you how to add the rotation afterwards if you wish. Okay? We're going to start with our weight on our left foot. We're going to do 3 walks back, and then we're going to tap. So you go right, right, and then tap. So you get back, 2, 3, and tap. And then repeat that going forwards, 2, 3, tap. You're then going to do a 3-step turn to your right with a tap at the end, and then you roll back in, okay, to where you started. So we go 3-step turn, 1, 2, 3, tap, and then we come back, 1, 2, 3, tap. So from the beginning, you have back, 2, 3, and tap, forwards, 2, 3, and tap. Turn it to the right and tap, turn it to the left and tap. And remember, when you tap your foot, you use it again. When you stand on it, you use the other foot. So we've just tapped our right foot. We're going to do 2 kick ball changes, okay? So we kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. There's 2 of those, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You're then going to dance 4 skater steps, right, left, right, left. So your arm points up and you step on the right foot, right, left, right, left. All right, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8. You then dance a seat belt for 8 counts. Seat belt goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the beginning up to there. So we start with the backward walks and the tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Forwards, 2, 3, tap. Turn to the right and tap. Turn to the left and tap. Kick ball change, skater step for 4 counts. Seat belt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, just to finish off, we do 2 rolls with our arms. So you close your right foot to your left, roll your arms, 1, 2. Then we do what I call a funky chicken. So we get funky chicken. The elbows go in and out at the same time as your feet. Funky chicken. Okay, so you get roll your arms, funky chicken. And then you're going to do right foot, heel, toe, heel, toe. And that's where the turn will happen, okay? But for now, I'm just going to do it facing you so you can get the hang of it. So you get, and roll your arms, funky chicken, heel, toe, toe. And that's it. We start again. So we go backwards with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Forwards, 2, 3, and tap. Roll it to the right and tap. Roll it to the left and tap. Kick ball change, skater step for 4 counts. Seat belt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it, funky chicken, heel, toe. So, to add the turn to it, for the heel toe, you're going to do heel, toe. And you turn a quarter to your left, heel, toe. And you would start again facing the new wall. So you turn a quarter to your left on the heel toe action, and then repeat it all over again, facing the new wall. So from the beginning, once through, whole thing, and then I will leave that with you to practice, okay? So we're going to travel backwards, 1, 2, 3, and tap. Forwards, 2, 3. We turn to the right, 2, 3, and tap. To the left, 2, 3, tap. Kick ball change, skater step for 4 counts. Seat belt, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it, funky chicken, heel, toe, heel, toe. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is the bus stop line dance, and I would choose Night Fever by the Bee Gees to dance it to. Okay, hope you have fun practicing. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.